Ka Sorkar Jylla kalarai ban Phah Marsya Tyngka Syaki nong megalia ki badang Sahkut menta Shabar ka Jylla na kadau ka jingkhang dam yakari borok hawai banyada na ka jingpriang khnyang coronavirus da ka pentep balap Taïew chief secretary banekran bat kitu ki Jylla ba kitai ki Samla ki don usumbut menirang ba ka Jylla ba perston tinsong ulongru ba tangki ba register ba ka Sorkar ki wadan hadu araja sispa khnai ba ngot ki Samla Pule bat kitu ki balatrai ki badan Shabar ka Jylla.
In fact, those people who registered, that's what we got the numbers. But there are numbers of students who does not registered. But that's what I'm telling you. As far as the record is concerned, we do have registered students, not only students. Some of them they working somewhere in the private business houses. 2,192 to be specific, and we are in touch with all of them. Not only that, we have asked our chief secretary to be in touch with his counterpart in case if there is any crisis. Maybe those students or those people or people from Meghalaya, they don't have the opportunity to even buy rice or buy essential commodities. That has been instructed. In case if you have any problem, our chief secretary is in touch with our counterpart. And then the latest is we decided from next week, we decided that these people, 2,192 something, we will also extend financial help from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. And we already fixed 1,000 rupees per week. We will transfer to their respective places, okay? 1,000 per week. So I'm sure 1,000 rupees per week, I think that is good enough, at least to manage for their daily life.